This is the birds and bees farm. We are fixing it all up. We are making it into a permaculture to retain as much water as we can. Now we are building 2 big swales. These are like ditches that will capture water. So this is just an early stage of the swale, but we've already put 3 layers of stone and clay and twigs, and then we are putting the thing that you just saw getting cut, which is the straw. On top of that, we'll put another layer, and then finally compost. So it will become a very rich area for plants, and it will also retain water. So it will provide water and disperse it all around the back area. And there's the other swale which will provide water around here. All the walls will have creepers so that when we put up our bee colony, there'll be some food for the bees to eat, as well as there'll be fruit trees, and then finally vegetable and composting areas.